Today I want to make a hook bracket, and so I've marked this piece of flat steel. This is kind of a play-it-by-ear project. I just know that I want the hooks to be separate from this piece of flat, but static. I need to give a shout out to two people for their recent generous donations to the channel. They are Ron Thacker and Trinity-KS6NW. Your continuing support really helps. Thanks. I made this little cutter from D2 steel. This steel holds up very well to hot use. Specifically, it's for shock resistance, but it has a lot of heat resistance as well. I marked this piece so I know how deep it can go. I clean up the tops and bottoms of those eyes just a little bit. I feel like this is missing something, so I put a little bit of ball peen texture on it. Got that loop there just a little bit thin. It didn't break, so should work just fine. Now I'll move on to the simple hooks. I clean these up a little bit so that they'll sit closer to the height that I want them to be at. I know that some people might say I should have spaced these out a little bit more, but this is how I planned it to be. If anyone is in need of one of these bending jigs, let me know, and I can offer a small discount. So it's maybe hard to tell, but I've heated the top end of that hook. And so I'll tap it down and secure it, and this way make it static. I've made a similar style of bracket before, but with the hooks that they could rotate left and right. But this one here, like I said, I just want them to be in a fixed position. That's really all there is to it. It's simple, but has a unique look to it. I decide to give it a clear coat finish. The finish makes the high and low areas, the light and dark spots, stand out even more. As per my usual, it's nothing fancy, but I'm sure many of you guys can take this in different directions. That's all for now. Got a lot more fooling around to do.